Alright, in this video today we're going to be going over the 2016 STAR release. I'm trying to get you ready. A little bit more practice for the STAR before you take it. So you're going to do the same thing that we did the other day. You're going to answer a question. Once you answer it, then you're going to hit play on the video and watch me work it out and compare what you did to what I did. If you made a mistake, I want you to make a correction to your work. If you did not make a mistake, then just check it off. And at the end of this, you're going to use this packet once again as a study guide to help prepare you for your final STAR test. So let's take a look at question number 1. Question number 1 says, four students are each trying to raise the same amount of money for a class trip. The table below shows how much each student's goal has been met. Which list shows the numbers in the table in order from least to greatest? Now, if they give you a problem, and I'm going to move this up just a little bit so you can see all of our answer choices. If they give you a problem where they are listing values and asking you to order them from least to greatest, the best option to do is the spreadsheet. So now you use the spreadsheet to find slope, but we can also use it to order numbers. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So we're going to go ahead and pull up the spreadsheet real fast, and we'll go from there. So if I pull my calculator up, right, and I go over here and go to my spreadsheet function, I'm going to hit enter. Once I do, we want to do just like if we're looking for slope. We want to change A to X, change B to Y, and then we're just going to put our numbers all inside of here. Now it doesn't matter which option choice you choose, or you could have taken the number straight from the table right here. It doesn't really matter. It's going to order them for you either way. So I guess I'll take them from the table right here. So we have 0.7, we have 2/3, we have 5/8, and we have 65%. So 65, hit that question mark button and keep hitting it until it goes to the percent, hit enter. Now once we've put these into this particular function right here in our spreadsheet, you're going to go ahead and hit home. You're going to go over to your statistics, hit enter, and notice it has all the numbers graphed for you, right? Now in this case we are not going to put the y-axis. All we need is just the x-axis. So we're going to go to X, click on it, and hit enter for X. And now our numbers are ordered. At this point you just move your cursor over the number and it'll tell it to you. Now keep in mind that whenever we do this, it is ordering them from least to greatest. In this particular question, it does say to order the numbers, which list shows the numbers in the table from least to greatest, and that's what we want. The reason I'm saying keep in mind, I want you to understand that this is least to greatest is because if it were to ask you to order them from greatest to least, you'd be starting from the right and going back. But notice it goes from a smaller number to a bigger number, so we are going from least to greatest. So our first number should be 5/8. So we can look down here and see which one's 5/8, and we can say, okay, well we have two options with 5/8. So we're going to go ahead and cross out the first two because it can't be A or B, but it may be C or D. So now we're going to check the next number. So just move your mouse over, and it says the next answer should be 65%. Well, D has 2/3 in its place, so we can go and cross out D. Therefore, C is the correct answer. Super simple. Use this function on your spreadsheet in order to order real numbers. If you're asked to on the STAR test, guaranteed you'll be able to get that question right.